Welcome students. Now today we will start with exercise 12.2 of Heron's formula. Hope you all remember what Heron's formula is. Heron's formula is to calculate the area of a triangle, and the formula was under root s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, where a, b, c are the measurements of the length of the triangle and s is the semi-perimeter, which is equal to a plus b plus c by 2. First question of this exercise. In this exercise, basically we are going to calculate the areas of different shape. In the previous exercise, we have calculated the areas of triangle, but in this we will have different shapes like quadrilateral, trapezium, equilateral triangle, tiles in the different shapes, okay, umbrella, triangular regions. So we have different things we are given. We have to combine the areas, calculate different areas and then add them. So let's start with the first question. A park is in the shape of a quadrilateral ABCD. Has angle C equals to 90 degree, AB equals to 9 meter, BC equal to 12 meter, CD equal to 5 meter and AD equals to 8 meter. Based on this given information, I have drawn a figure. I have drawn the quadrilateral, labeled it. Don't forget to label it. Okay? Because if you have drawn the figure right, then half of your problem is solved. So let's start. Now I have joined B and D. I have joined B by D. So BD is the diagonal of this quadrilateral, which divides the quadrilateral into two triangular areas. So if I calculate the area of both the triangles and add them, I will get the area of the required quadrilateral. So triangle BCD is a right angle triangle. It is given already to us. Angle C is 90 degrees. So we can apply Pythagoras theorem in this and we can find the length of the diagonal BD. Why are we finding the height length of BD? Because this will help us in finding the area of triangle ABD by Heron's formula. So you know the Pythagoras theorem. It states that hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. So what is my hypotenuse in this figure? BD. BD is my hypotenuse, BC is my base and CD is my perpendicular. So I will simply apply this. I'll put the values. So for finding out the value of BD, so I'll write BD square is equal to 12 square plus 5 square. 12 square is 144, 5 square is 25. On adding this I get 169. Since BD square is 169, I can write BD is equal to under root of 169 and you know the value of under root of 169, it is 13 cross 13, which gives me 13. 169 can be splitted into factors as 13 cross 13 and I can take out the under root sign and the square sign cancels out. So I am only left with BD equals to 13 meters. Now I'll calculate the area of the triangle. So area of triangle BCD is equal to half base into height. I can directly find the area because the arms of that triangle are right angle. Okay, one angle is right angle, so I can directly use the formula half base into height because one of the arm is my height. So I'll write half into 12 into 5. This is equal to 30 meters square. Don't forget to write the units. Now I will calculate the area of other triangle, which is ABD. In this I will apply the Heron's formula, under root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Now what is the value of S over here? S is the semi-perimeter of the triangle whose sides are 8, 9 and 13. So simply I will add these sides and divide by 2. The answer I get is 30 divided by 2, which is 15 meters. So I'll put the values in this formula. I get 15 multiplied by 15 minus 13, 15 minus 9 and 15 minus 8. On solving these brackets, I get 15 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 7. So in this, I will do the factorization I can write this as 15 as 5 cross 3, 2 I leave as it is. 6 can be written as 3 cross 2 cross 7. So I have a 2 pair, I have a 3 pair. So I will move 1 2 outside and 1 3 outside. So I am left with only under root 35 inside. So my answer is 6 under root 35. You can leave the answer as it is or you can calculate the under root value. So the area of quadrilateral ABCD is area of triangle BCD plus area of triangle ABD. So I'll add both the areas. My first area was 30, second area is 35.5. So I get the answer as 65.5 meters square. Question number 2. Find the area of quadrilateral ABCD in which AB is 3 centimeters, BC is 4 centimeters, CD is 4 centimeters, DA is 5 centimeter and AC is 5 centimeters. So in this we have all the dimensions. So I can directly apply Heron's formula to calculate both the areas. I can apply Heron's formula. I have all the dimensions, all the lengths, or in one of the triangle that is ABC, I can prove that angle B is 90 degree by applying Pythagoras theorem. Okay, I'll apply the Pythagoras theorem. If hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square, then I can say that the triangle is a right angled at B. And if I can prove that this triangle is right angled triangle, then I can find the area directly by half base into height. My height will be the arm BC and base will be the arm AB. So let's prove this. I'll write the Pythagoras theorem. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC is equal to 5 square. AB is equal to 3 centimeter, which is 3 square, and BC is equal to 4 square. So I will solve this and I will get 9 plus 16, which is 25. So both the left hand side and right hand side are equal. Therefore triangle ABC is right angled at B. Now I can find out the area by half base into height. So it's half into 3 into 4, which is 6 centimeter square. Now for the second triangle, I will find out the semi-perimeter first. So semi-perimeter of triangle ACD is equal to sum of its edges 5 plus 5 plus 4 divided by 2. So I'll do 14 divided by 2, which is equal to 7 centimeters. Now using Heron's formula, I will calculate the area of this triangle ACD. This is equal to under root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. On substituting all the values, this is what the equation looks like. On solving the brackets, I get 7 into 2 into 2 into 3. So I take out the 2 as a pair over here. I take 1 2 out common. Then I'm left with only 7 cross 3, which is under root 21. So this is my answer, 9.17 centimeters square. Now area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ABD. So this is equal to 6 centimeter square plus 9.17 centimeter square, which is 15.17 centimeter square. Now third question. This is a lengthy question, big question. It consists of several parts, okay? It has several sections. The diagram is given to us. You can see the diagram which I have drawn. The diagram is divided into 5 sections. It's already labeled as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 different sections, 3 of which are triangular section and 1 is a rectangle and 1 is a trapezium. So let's see how we will calculate the area of these figures. First we will calculate the area of first triangle or the first section. We can use Heron's formula over here. One side is given to me 5 centimeter. Since this is an aeroplane, it will have symmetry over here. So my other side will be also 5 and the base is 1 centimeter, which is the base of the triangle also. So I have the area as under root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So I can calculate S. S is equal to 5 plus 5 plus 1 divided by 2. Semi-perimeter is equal to 5.5 centimeters. Now I will substitute the values over here. On solving, I get 5.5 into 0.5 into 0.5 into 4.5. On solving this, taking the factors, I get 0.75 outside and I am left with only 11 in the under root sign. So the area of this section is 2.488 centimeters square. Now I calculate the area of second part. The second part, which is labeled, is a rectangle. So area of this rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Length is 6.5 centimeters, breadth is 1 centimeter. So area is 6.5 centimeter. Now area of trapezium. How will we calculate the area of trapezium? I can divide this trapezium into 3 equilateral triangles. How I can divide this? I can take the midpoint of the edge, which is 2 centimeter long, and join it with the upper edges one by one. So in this way I'll get an 3 equilateral triangles. And area of equilateral triangle, you know the formula, under root 3 by 4a square. So I have 3 equilateral triangles, means I will do 3 times this area. I will multiply this area by 3. So this is how this will look like. And the side is 1 over here. Value of a is 1. So my answer is 1.3 centimeters square. Now area of the fourth triangle and area of the fifth triangle are equal because the figure is in symmetry. So let's calculate the area. You can see this is a right angle triangle. So the area is half base into height. Base is 6 centimeter and height is 1.5 centimeters. So I multiply this and solve and I get the answer as 4.5 centimeters square. Similarly, area of fifth shape is, both the triangles are identical, so area is same, 4.5. Now question was asked to calculate the total area of the paper used. So how will I get the total area? By adding these areas. Area of section 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. On adding these areas, I get the answer as 19.3 centimeters square. So thank you students. Now tomorrow we will do the remaining questions of this exercise.